वेलकम टू सुपर इंडिया। आज के इस वीडियो सेशन में हम इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन आंसर ASP.NET पार्ट 2 को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ ईच पोस्ट बैक प्रॉपर्टी? एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑलवेज आस्क्ड बाय इंटरव्यू। आंसर, द ईच पोस्ट बैक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ पेज ऑब्जेक्ट इज यूज्ड टू चेक दैट द पेज इज पोस्टेड बैक और नॉट. Next, how do you identify that page is posted back? There is a property named eachPostBack property in postback which can be checked to know that the page is posted back. What is the parent class of all web server control? System.web.ui.control class. What is the difference between ASP.NET Web Form and ASP.NET MVC? ASP.NET Web Forms uses the page control approach for rendering layout. In this approach, every page has its control. On the other hand, ASP.NET MVC uses the front controller approach. In this approach, there is a common controller for all pages. Next question, what is the difference between the get method and the post method? This is very important question. Data is not secured in the get method. Data is secured in the post method. Data transmission in get method is faster. Data transmission in post method is comparatively slow. Only a limited amount of data can be sent using get method. A large amount of data can be sent using post method. Get method is a default method for many browsers. Post method is not set as default. It should be explicitly specified. Next question. What is the difference between session object and application object? The session object is used to maintain the session of each user. A session ID is generated if a user enters in the application, and when the user left the application, the session ID is automatically deleted. On the other hand, the application object is used to store the information and access variables from any page in the application. What is the difference between trace and debug? Debug class is used to debug builds. Trace class is used for both debug and trace build. What is the difference between client-side and server-side validation in web pages? The client-side validation happens at the client side with the help of JavaScript and VB script. This validation has occurred before the web page is sent to the server. The server-side validation happens at the server side. What is the difference between file-based dependency and key-based dependency? File-based dependency facilitates you to save the dependency on a file in a disk, and key-based dependency, you depend on another cached item. What is the difference between globalization and localization? Globalization is a technique to identify the part of web application that is different for different languages and separate it out from the web application. In localization, you try to configure a web application so that it can be supported for a specific language or local. Thank you. आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही, बाकी नेक्स्ट पार्ट में लेकर के जल्द आ रहा हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.